Hello guys, today I will show you how to do bouncy text with glow or light sweep on Alight motion. Requested by a subscriber from the previous tutorial intro. So yeah, want this. Again, want this. Let's start now. Follow my steps. First, create the text you want to do and set the font. Adjust as you wish. Next, we need to animate each text for the bouncy effect. Duplicate the text layer, and remove all the text. And enter one by one letter. And place it at the exact place where it should be. Repeat the step until the last letter, speeding up some unwanted parts. Now, after arranging the letters, we'll start animating each. Take the first letter, and animate position, rotation, and scaling as I do. Tip: you can also note down the y-axis coordinates and enter the same for other letters since they'll be same. Speeding up some unwanted parts. Repeat the same for all letters. Speeding up some unwanted parts. Follow my steps. Tip: instead of applying effects to each letter manually, you can apply them in a single letter and copy the layer and select the layers you want to apply. And under paste layer, choose which property you want to paste. Now, move every text layer one frame after. Speeding up some unwanted parts. Now duplicate the text group. Follow me. Here I'm applying stroke for all text, So I am copying one layer style and pasting them for other text. Make sure you choose what property you paste. For stroke you need to paste both color and fill option and stroke option. This way you can save time instead of manually doing it for each letters. Anyway, if you like the tutorial, or find the tutorial useful, please drop a like and subscribe, that'll make my day. Make sure to check out my AMB channel and audio edits channel. Links are in the description. You can play with graphs and keyframes for better results. Now add soft glow and follow my steps. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop next tutorial suggestions in the comment section. See you later.